Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to make passport size photo in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our file and insert it. Now we can see here this picture size is very long. We know that this passport size is 2 into 2. Now we click the image and go to the format menu. Then change the height and width 2 into 2. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now we can see here this image size is passport size. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.